Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Can you believe it? We're now under 2 months away from the launch of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and today I'm diving deep into the 10 most compelling new leaks and rumors swirling around this upcoming flagship. I'll unpack each one in detail, insert trending tech SEO keywords, and reshape the entire narrative so it feels fresh and optimized for ranking. Next level scratch resistance, sapphire grade glass? First leak, the iPhone 17 Pro Max may introduce a superior scratch-resistant display. Rumor has it Apple is upgrading to a sapphire-like coating, vastly boosting surface durability. Previous generation screens held their ground under pressure, but scratches were still a nagging problem. This iteration reportedly steps up the material game, reducing reliance on screen protectors and tempered glass. Next up is a surprising twist about the chassis. After rumors that Pro models would mix aluminum and titanium, insiders now suggest Apple may revert the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max back to a high-grade aluminum housing. Meanwhile, the rumored iPhone 17 Air might still use titanium. This means we're looking at a lightweight, refined build, not the heavier titanium many expected. Another major update concerns wireless charging standards. Earlier chatter predicted Qi 2.2 with 50W output for faster magnetic charging. But now credible sources claim Apple scaled that back. It's now more realistically capped at 25W wireless charging. That's still a noticeable jump over previous MagSafe speeds. If third-party chargers add Qi 2.2 support, expect seamless high-speed MagSafe functionality. Leakers report changes in internal magnet layout and logo alignment to accommodate the new Qi 2.2 integration and the thicker camera bump. Apple is lowering the internal MagSafe magnets, and therefore, the familiar Apple logo on the rear. This subtle shift ensures a firm magnetic connection with accessories while maintaining clean aesthetics. Bold new colorways, gold orange and deep navy brace for more daring aesthetics, in addition to classic black, white, and silver/gray finishes. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max may debut 2 bold new shades, a gold-orange metallic finish and a dark navy hue. Note that one of the lighter blues, previously associated with these models, may now be exclusive to the iPhone 17 Air. A big energy upgrade. Sources suggest Apple is shifting to a carbon-lithium battery chemistry. This delivers enhanced battery capacity and efficiency, especially in the Pro Max model. Coupled with software optimizations, this likely results in record-breaking battery life among flagship phones. Apple's next chipset, the A19 Pro, is rumored to include 3D layer cache design, allowing data flow not just laterally but vertically across the die. This results in faster processing, better energy efficiency, and gives Apple an edge over Snapdragon 8 Elite and other flagship silicon. Memory and cooling get major upgrades. 12GB of RAM is expected, bringing smoother multitasking and future-proof capacity to the Pro models. More importantly, Apple is said to introduce a new vapor chamber cooling system to tackle thermal throttling seen in prior generations. Expect cooler performance under heavy workloads. Launch window and pricing forecast. Finally, let's time the release and pricing. Launch announcement is most likely during the week of September 8th, probably on Tuesday, September 9th or Wednesday, September 10th, 2025. Pre-orders and retail availability expected around September 19th. The iPhone 17 Pro may stay at $999, similar to the iPhone 16 Pro. The Pro Max is likely to retain the $1,199 base price, but may include 256GB storage as standard instead of 128GB. External factors like tariffs or global supply shifts may affect final pricing. iPhone 17 Pro launch, September 2025 release date, iPhone price prediction, Apple event schedule. For instance, the iPhone 13 Pro Max was rumored to bring the largest battery ever in an iPhone, 4,352 mAh, alongside big step UPS and refresh rate. And iOS 15 optimization leaks for the iPhone 15 series highlighted Apple's strategy of focusing major upgrades on the Pro line. While standard models got fewer refinements, the iPhone 16 Pro was expected to center on camera enhancements and a new A18 Pro chip, while also keeping prices in check by trimming certain lens costs. These trends support why the iPhone 17 Pro Max is attracting so much buzz. Apple clearly continues to concentrate innovation in its Pro-tier releases. Closing thoughts. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of Apple's most refined flagship phones yet. With enhancements to durability, charging speed, battery chemistry, color options, internal memory, thermal engineering, chip design, and overall efficiency, these 10 leaks signal a bold refresh. Apple seems to double down on the Pro variants as the showcase series, echoing patterns seen in earlier models like the iPhone 15 and 16 generations. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the Comments which of these rumors excites you most. Are you team gold orange finish or hyped for the new carbon battery? Until next time on Techno Trend Zone, see you soon.